isn't it? Allah al-Musta'an. Very expensive. Now, تفضل.
Should we, I'm trying to think of the right word, discourage to travel or to go outside with our children at Maghrib time?
Okay, so first question from him, but it's nothing to do with the topic.
So,
Right, but he's the one who recites, so he's got the veto, Islamic veto right. Prophet ﷺ told us that not to bring our children, the young ones, outside in faw'at al-isha, when the spread of the night, which is when the night start with the Maghrib. And the Prophet ﷺ also told us to lock our doors, not windows. Don't suffocate yourself. The doors. Shayateen does not jump from the windows. They're more polite than the criminals, subhanAllah. They come through the doors. So you lock them, and also you lock your water, you cover it, and all of this. So the Prophet of Allah, he said that your children, don't make them. So when fahmat al-isha, fahma, which is fahma means like a burning coal. So when this part, beginning of the night had finished, then after that, no problem. Just the beginning, because this is the time when at that area, the shayateen spread, the jinn spread. You know, just like, the animals, some snakes, they go at a certain time, like in the summer, the hot, they come out. The winter, they hide. Same thing with the jinn. The shayateen goes at that time. When the Maghrib, so in that area, in that Maghrib, they come out. Naam. Jazak. And when they come out as well, come out. So if you came in the car, no problem. Come out here just in the open. Fadal. No problem in the car. No, knock, that means lock the door, not with the key. They don't open, by the way. It would be a problem then. So they might know. So they might go to the key smith and ask to make a key. No, just lock it now.